Hello, everyone. Joe Salazar here with Remax, here to give you another market update, this time for the month of January. Let's get started. There's some interesting stuff going on here. So, big homes with 4 bedrooms upstairs, 2-car garage. The average list price is 920,000. The average sale price is 895,000. The average days on the market is 45. So, last month it was 40 days, so a little bit longer on the market. You can still get a cheap big house, for $670,000. One of these houses sold for only 5 days on the market, so you do have to act fast on these. You're getting approximately $25,000 below asking price on these homes, and the average list sale price for the last 4 months: October 974, down to 971, down to 943, down to 895. Only 45 sales in January. That's typical. February is going to be around the same. March, it might bump up a little bit, and then April is usually when the spring market begins, and that'll be quite a bit higher. But overall, it's a downward turn on the big homes. Let's go to the small single homes with 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1-car garage. The average list price is 688. Average sale price 973. Again, you can get a single home with 3 bedrooms for 575. The same price as a townhouse almost. 8 days on the market for this one here. So they do sell fast when they're that low. The average days on the market last month was 39. This month it's 50, a little bit longer. January, a lot of people like to wait for the spring to buy homes unless you absolutely need to buy. That's why the days on the market is a little bit longer. The average sale price is around $14,000 below the asking price. The last 4 months, we saw 737 down to 698, down to 669, and up to 674. So an upward spike on the small single homes. Townhomes with 3 bedrooms, 1-car garage. Average list price 617, average sale price 610. 41 days in the market, which is comparable to last month at 43. Not much room for negotiations on these townhouses. You're looking at about $7,000 off of the list price. So very close to asking price. Last 4 months, 611 down to 605, down to 602, up to 610. So more people are getting into the townhomes. So a little bit of an upward streak here. Let's go to bungalows with 2 bedrooms minimum. Bungalows list price is 739 is the average. Average sale price 725. 54 days on the market. A little bit longer. Last month it was only 11. Last month bungalows were selling like crazy. This month things are starting to slow down. You're looking at it getting around $14,000 below asking price. The last 4 months, October saw 760 as the average. 794 went up to 806, and down to 725. Only 40 sales. That might be just older homes, older bungalows that are selling instead of these big luxury homes. That could change in April, I think. Let's go to condos, any size. Condos, 398 is the list price average. 386 is the sell price average. Look, you can still get a condo for $212,000. So there's good investment properties out there, but you have to stay on top of it, because look, this one sold in 8 days. 66 days on the market is the average for condos. Last month it was 58, so a little bit longer. That's expected for January, February. Average sell price, you're looking at about $12,000 below list price. Not much room for negotiations again on these condos. Let's go back 6 months for these condos. 415 in August, up to 426, up to 438. Again, November 438, down to 423 in December, and then down to 386 in January. Downward spike on these condos. Let's look at triplexes, fourplexes, and duplexes, investment properties. The average list price 935, the average sale price 889. 96 days on the market is the average. Last month it was 68. You're looking at about $46,000 off of the asking price for these investment properties. Let's go back 5 months. 756 in September, 892, 1,000,006 in November, 1,000,007 in December, and down to 889. 16 sales, which is still better than these other months. A bit of a downward trend, but again, I think these are going to come up in April and May. Interest rates, you're looking at, let's look at January, 384 for a five-year term. That's lower than last month. Really good. If it's a rental property, 424 is the lowest rate compared to 439 the previous month. So shop around. Your mortgage brokers are the best ones to get the best rates because the big sometimes the big banks don't like to discount. I've got some other information here about the Ontario real estate market. See what the expectations are for 2026. Here's a little bit of the information here that I did some research on. You're welcome to pause this and read it, or you can ask me for a PDF copy of the information, and I'd be happy to send it to you. If you do have a home to sell or like to know what the value of your home is, let me know. I'm here to help. Until then, take care. Bye for now.